with some sweet potatoes, some sweet potato salad, some curry cowfoot. The cowfoot is spicy. It's really, really good. I mean, I tell you, the potato salad is Irish potato. I put Irish potato in there, I put sweet potato in there, I put some chiffon butter in there, I put some carrots, some shredded carrots, some sweet pepper, and a little bit of white Italian cheese, the 4 cheeses that I've been using since the other day, plus some Parmesan, and to top it off, I put some complete seasoning. That's the Badia brand. Guys, this tastes like heaven. And it's the perfect complement with the spiciness of the cow food. Some beetroot. Yes guys, beetroot can be eaten like this. Actually love it. So crunchy. So there's my dog in the background and my mother shouting. Ignore them. I love my vegetables. And some more of this. No, for the cold food. After this, really, really good. And my good old Pepsi. Should not be drinking this, guys. Yeah, it's a teacup. Tender cow food. Spicy. Super nice. So guys, I said maybe you may have known, yes guys, this is cheese. My business is now fully registered and started, and what I'm doing baked goods. So stay tuned. Throughout the course of the next couple of months, you're gonna be seeing the whole launch and everything coming out, rolling out to you. So look out for that, guys. That's something to look out for from Chef Nick's, the launch of my baked goods line and luxury wedding cakes. Guys, if you know me personally, you know some of them are very picky about food. But, and I should tell you guys, I did not cook the cow food. Cow food came from my mom's restaurant. It's on Hagley Park Road. And the chicken. What I did cook was this damn bomb-ass potato salad. But I can tell you, the cow food to die for. The chicken seasoned to the bone and more. Yeah, guys. So wow, I am delicious, 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 delicious. Go and trick me, guys. Seriously, I sauce of potato. I go and trick me. No man. You could do better. And then I wonder why I get fat. Well, I never eat no lunch today, so that's a plus.
Curry. Black pepper. Very good.
Guys, normally I leave my meat for last. I don't eat my food and eat my meat at the same time. I eat my meat last in my plate. Reason being, when I was younger, I was the eldest girl of a lot of siblings. So what I used to do, I used to trade meat for food. Because my philosophy was, food will fill my belly more than all the meat I'll pull it. So I was always sure to leave back my meat, and up to this day, and all of my children does the same thing. Sometimes you think we're not influencing, but you are. Some good cow food.
Aunty, can't do that.
Can't do it.
Hungry people there on you can't do that. You don't hungry enough for that. What's that? Chicken. Auntie, stop doing that. Yo, you need to put the plate and cut from us. Aunty, we tell them taste the coffee.
This is delicious. Guys, again, this was my double potato salad. No mayonnaise in this. Butter and fried chicken and some curry cowfoot, some fresh beetroot and some cucumber. Until next time, remember to like, comment, and share. Thanks for tuning in to Nick's World. This is a potato salad. But look like gravy on it. All of a sudden, turn handicapped. Nice one. You know what more? Nope, I joke.